Hey guys, this is Bruce Banks. I'm back again with another video, but this time I'm going to show you how easy it is to open an online checking account with Simple. And if you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this type of content, still give it a thumbs up. All right, without further ado, let's go. All right, so I'm going to break down this YouTube video into three main sections. The first section is going to be on what is Simple. This is where I'm going to talk about the company and everything about it. And second, I'm going to tell you about what makes Simple so special. That means I'm going to tell you about the products and what made me look into them. And finally, third,
Hit the like button and subscribe and check out the free money in the description. I'm just joking.
I want to tell you about how to actually go through the process of signing up. I'm going to walk you through that. All right, let's go. So I grabbed this screenshot from their website, and if you want to go ahead and read it, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm just going to pull out some important facts. So we can see it was created in 2009, pretty much to address why banking is complicated. They don't like ridiculous fees, so that's good. And it's an FDIC insured checking account. The accounts are free. Another important fact. Very, very important fact. And it was built to help you save money. And now we're at the question of what makes Simple so special. And I want to show you something. This is the Bankrate website where I searched for best checking accounts in May 2020. And if you search for that, they give you a pretty good comprehensive list of all the best bank accounts with all the different interest payments. And you can see the very first one is Heritage Bank for overall rate. It's the highest 1.53. However, you have to have $100 to open. And then you get to the next one, which is best checking account for no fees. Here you have Simple individual checking.
Just a heads up, guys, rates are no longer at 1.4% because of the Fed cutting rates due to the pandemic. As of the posting of this video, is currently at 0.60%, which is still better than most for a checking account.
That's really, really, really good because right now I'm not even making 1.4% in my regular high yield savings account. And if you guys want to know by any chance what I use for my high yield savings, I can put that in a future video. But as you can see, the balance to start is $0. $0. That's amazing. Other banks will have you hold at least $1,000, or in this case, you have to have $100 to open for Heritage Bank. And then if you keep scrolling down, you see that other banks don't even touch Simple and APY. Disappointment after disappointment. I know you guys don't believe me, but this is taken straight from their website. I looked it up, and yeah, they're offering a 1.4%. As long as you open an account and then open up another protected goals account. So when you originally open up a Simple account, you'll earn a 0.01% annual percentage yield. However, you have to open up a protected goals account where you can then transfer money to, and you can have anywhere between a penny and above, and it'll all earn the same amount, which is 1.4% for right now. This is also another screenshot from the FAQ page, and it's asking the question, does Simple charge fees? And the short answer is no, but they will charge fees for maybe $5 for a book of checks, or maybe 1% if you go international.
So there's something else I wanted to point out after using Simple for several months. My favorite thing about this account is called instant transfers. This is where I can send money to all my other external accounts by next day. So if I decide to send $1,000 to Bank of America from Simple and I initiate it for today, it will appear by tomorrow. For the other banks I use, transferring money outside of Zelle, it would take 3 to 4 days. So that's really nice. However, there are limits. According to the website, you can send a total of $2,000 in the first 30 days after your account is approved. Once your account has been 30 days or longer, you'll be able to send up to $2,000 per day and $10,000 per month.
All right, and this is the last FAQ question I'm going to show you for this section is about how does Simple make money if they're a business and they don't charge fees. Well, they tell you, like traditional banks, they also take a split of the interest that they make, and they get money every time you swipe your debit card. But other than that, they don't do anything out of the ordinary, which is really good for us, really good for the consumer. Now I'm going to try to take you guys through the actual process of signing up. As you can see, we are on the Simple website at simple.com. So right now I'm just going to hit apply now. Let's start by creating your account login. So go ahead and put in your account login information, your username, email address, and you can come up with a password. All right, so it takes you to the next step. Time to get personal. Nothing fancy, just a few things to fill out your profile and help us get to know you. So go ahead and put down your first name, your last name, address, your phone number, where you work, source of income, and how to use Simple. All right, so now it wants to verify your phone number. Please enter the code sent to your phone number to verify that you own this phone number. Go ahead and type that in. You're almost there. For security purposes, we need a few more details to prove that you're a real person. So go ahead and put in your date of birth and your social security number. It's also asking, have you or someone close to you ever held a political office in a foreign country? Are you a U.S. citizen? Everything looks good. Before you submit your application, we'd like you to read through a few things. So after you agree to everything, go ahead and submit the application. Now it seems like everything is set up and you can go ahead and fund your account. And then up here, there is the option to open up a protected goals account. This is the account that earns 1.4%. So you want to go ahead and click that. And it's asking for you to deposit funds to start. This new and separate account starts earning 1.4% annual percentage yield. And you want to go ahead and transfer funds from a bank account. Simple uses Plaid to link your bank. Go ahead and press continue. Go ahead and choose your bank. All right, so now that it's connected, you go ahead and type the amount that you want to deposit. Confirm your saving goals, built to save and protected from spending. Your saving goals live in a new separate protected goals account alongside your main Simple account. One last step, just a few quick questions. Since your savings goals in a new separate account, by law, we have to ask you a couple personal info questions. This will only take a sec. What's your occupation? What are your sources of income? What transactions do you rely on the most? Have you or someone close to you ever held a political office in a foreign country? So go ahead and put those in. Go ahead and put create savings goals. All right, now the account seems like it's been created. You want to go ahead and add a goal. What are you saving for? As much needed vacation, emergency fund, or saving up for a big purchase? How often do you want to contribute to this goal? When do you want money to move? It's best to line this up with a payday or recurring deposit. Confirm your goal. All right, so everything is set up and it seems like everything is okay, and you can go ahead and transfer your money there and earn a healthy 1.4% on your money in your checking account. So there you go, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. There is a link to Simple in the description if you would like to sign up, as well as links to free stocks, so check that out because who doesn't like free things? Follow me on social media if you haven't already. And with that said, peace out.